mushroom. Hi. Day 1. Growth and cultivation of mushroom. Non-sterile method. Sterile your hand and the equipment needed for the experiment. Cut open the inner part of the stem of the mushroom. Take a piece of the mushroom tissues and incubate it onto PDA supplemented with appropriate antibiotics. Incubate at room temperature and observe daily. Sterile method. Sterile your hand and the equipment needed for the experiment. Surface sterile mushroom tissue by washing the mushroom tissue with water and blood dry. Dip in 70% ethanol solution for 1 minute. Rinse with sterile distilled water and blood dry. Dip in 5% Clorox for 5 minutes. Rinse with sterile distilled water and blood dry. Dry the mushroom tissues in the biosafety cabinet. Take a piece of the mushroom tissues and incubate it onto PDA supplemented with appropriate antibiotics. Incubate at room temperature and observe daily. Day 2. Preparation of synthetic lots. At Unit Cendawan, we have grey oyster mushrooms. We have a yellow oyster mushrooms and also pink oyster mushrooms. Media preparation. We need to prepare the ingredient using 100, 10 and 1 ratio, which consists of sawdust, rice bran and lime. We also will add 70% of water to the mixture. Mix the ingredient thoroughly, and to determine the mixture is good to go, when you shape the mixture, it will not crumble. The mixture is now ready to be packed. The packaged synthetic lot was covered. Press down the medium in the plastic gently, and the level of the media mixture was ensured to be the same for all artificial lots. Close tightly by using the modified cap provided. And if you notice, at the cap there is a sponge, and the function of the sponge was for the flow of steam into the media for sterilization. The covered synthetic log sent to the steamer room. For your information, butane gas was used to operate the steamer. The steamer container was ensured to tightly close. population of mushroom. Bring out the synthetic log from the steamer. Sterile the cap by go through the fire. Gently squeeze the spawn to avoid from breaking the mycelium. For 250 grams of spawn can fill up to 75 logs. Carefully fill in the spawn into the logs. Lastly, place the synthetic log on shelf and incubate for 2 months. Extra step, packaging. The harvested mushroom was packed in a plastic. The plastic was sealed by using the vacuum sealer machine. Ensure there is no air bubble left in the plastic, and the packaging was pressed gently to remove the air.